Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can apply for an Apple card where you can get pre-approved, and they will tell you the limit of the card that you're pre-approved for with a soft inquiry pull. Now, if you're new to my channel is dedicated on helping you to improve your credit score no matter where you are on your credit journey. Also, how to leverage lines of credit to create cash flow. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you can do me a favor, give a thumbs up to the video. Also, you guys, I want to make sure that I constantly make this announcement. There's a lot of scammers that are on YouTube influencers channels. They're using our picture, replying in the comments to your information and giving you an email address or WhatsApp number to contact us with questions, but these are not our accounts. Please keep in mind, anything that I comment on this channel, you will see it highlighted because I am the person that operates the channel. So if you see someone replying to your comments with my picture saying that to contact me via email, WhatsApp, that's a red flag. Already know that it's not me. I am not doing any consultations anymore. I am not taking on any more clients just because of this, that it will be no confusion that it's me trying to charge you. I don't deal with Cash App, nothing, only at my website. If you have questions, I will leave the website in the comments at the top, pinned to this video. So make sure you contact me there. I will repeat again. Make sure if you have detailed questions, it go to my cell phone, contact me there. Be very careful. So I want to bring you this information on how you can qualify and be pre-approved for this Apple card with a soft inquiry pull. Now, the reason why this is important, where I try to get you guys different ways to get pre-approvals, because if you don't know, hard inquiries can bring down your credit score. So too many hard inquiries can also get you denied for credit, even if you have a great credit score. I have a client, he had a 740 credit score, 11 hard inquiries, and could not get approved for anything. So you want to minimize your hard inquiries. And if you're trying to build credit, you want to try to aim for things that you are going to get approved for with your credit card. So keep that in mind. You just don't want to aimlessly just apply for different credit cards without even having an idea, do you fit in the credit profile? So anytime you add unsecured lines of credit to your profile, unsecured, not secured, not debt, unsecured lines of credit, you will see an increase in your credit score. So that is the golden ticket. So make sure that you apply these strategies that I'm giving you, especially if you're trying to increase your credit score. So when it comes to the Apple card, in order for you to apply for this, you do have to be an Apple user of Apple products. So you have to have an iPhone. You definitely have to have some kind of Apple account. You have to have an Apple ID. So if you have an Apple ID, you can go here to the website, and I will leave that link. If you have an iPhone, you can go to this link and then you can apply through your phone. It makes it much easier than applying online. If you apply online here, you're going to have to go through some verification steps. So it might be best for you to hit the link in the description. I will have the link to the website, and then it will activate when you're going through that process to connect to your phone to make it much easier, and it'll have your information. Now, when it comes to the Apple Card, if you are one that's interested in Apple products, and also they do give you some cash back and some rewards. Now with the Apple credit card, people have gotten this with a credit score as little as a 620 and up. So one thing, it is a lower entryway to get this card. Now, the minimum they will give you for a credit line is a $250 credit line. And they do offer no fees, no annual fees, and they give you a stylish metal credit card, and they will give you 3% cash back on all Apple products and some other merchants. 2% cash back with the Apple Pay. So Apple Pay is really popular now. And if you pay with Apple Pay, you will get 2% cash back. Also, 1% cash back when you're not using Apple Pay. So that's on other purchases. And the great thing, they will update you real time daily with your cash back. So it will be available daily to you in real time. Now, they do pull from TransUnion or Experian, and it varies depending on what region you live in. So keep that in mind. So if you have questions, you can call them. Here's a number to talk to the specialist. It is 1-887-255-5923. So if you have any more other questions. Now, the APR range will be 10.99% to 21%, but it is based on your credit worthiness, you guys. So this is subject for credit approval. Now, also, it says accepting the Apple Card after your application will result in a hard inquiry pull, which may impact your credit score. So this is for pre-approval. But the great part is when you put in the application with your the last 4 digits of your social security number, they will tell you exactly how much you are pre-approved for. Now, if you choose to accept that offer, let me repeat, if you choose to accept that offer, it will cause a hard inquiry pull. So keep that in mind, because people constantly have a misconception when you're pre-approving. It's a soft pull, but if you accept that card, this will turn into a hard inquiry pull. Now, you need to look at what's the results. If the hard inquiry pull is only 3 points, but you're looking at an increase on your credit score, possibly 20 to 50 points and up, is the 3 points worth it? Sounds like it's worth it to me, depending on your situation and how many hard inquiries you already have. Now, if you're a person with a ton of hard inquiries, keep this in mind. We do offer a hard inquiry removal package for free at our website. You can go there and download it. So that will help you remove those hard inquiries. So late or missed payments will result in additional interest accumulating towards your balance. To request a titanium card, you must add the Apple Card to your wallet on eligible iOS or iPad OS devices. So keep this in mind, you guys. It's a really simple, streamlined process, and it is easy to really apply for this. Now, when you come here and hit the apply, if you are doing it online, what it's going to do is ask you for your Apple ID. Now, when you enter your Apple ID, and what it's going to do with your password, if you're not on your Apple device, it will send you a verification. So it sent me a verification to my cell phone, and then you have to enter it in. But if you are applying on your Apple device, it will automatically take you to, especially on your iPhone, to the application, and it will have your information already in there. Now we're going to walk quickly through the application. So you will first hit apply and you will get your results in as simply as a few minutes. And so the next screen you're going to get is your personal information. Once you come to the screen and you added in your Apple ID, you will see your information here. So first name, last name. I redacted my information so you guys can see what will be here, but you should have this already filled out once you enter in your Apple ID. It will also, you might have to enter this on my cell phone. I had to enter my date of birth, but it kind of picked it up. Date of birth, phone number you have to enter in, and your email address. It should be there, okay? Also, your address information should already be here. Then they will ask you for your last 4 digits of your social security number. And what is going to be very important is your annual income. Please keep in mind, they're going to look at your credit worthiness and also how much is your annual income to determine your credit line. So keep that in mind, you guys. It's just not on credit alone. Like I tell everybody, credit is not the end all be all. Cash flow, income matters. So here they will determine what's your annual percentage. It just gives you a rundown on what is the percentage rate and the information here on its disclosures. And you can go through that if you choose all the details. And then you would click here, agree and apply once you fill in that information. Now, they will give you a pre-approval and it will tell you what you are approved for your credit line. Now, if you take that offer, it would then turn to a hard inquiry pull. So once you get to that stage, remember, if you accept the offer or you can decline the offer, if you accept, it will be a hard inquiry pull. If you decline, it will not go any further. So this is very helpful for those who are looking for lines of credit, who even may be trying to build credit. Now, if you are a person that have, better cards, better options, maybe this might not be the best option for you if you already have American Express, other cards that give cashback rewards and other items, lower interest rates already. So, or even bigger lines of credit, it might not be worth you to go forward to it. You also want to keep in mind, if you are at a certain credit score, 700 and better, I tell you guys all the time, adding more credit cards at that point, if you're already over a 700 credit score, can reduce your credit score. And what it does is it affects your age of credit, okay? So more credit lines, it does affect your age of credit if you are above a 700 credit score. So at that point, you want to be doing some credit or what we call gardening. So you can't just add on a ton of credit cards. You want to try to get some credit cards and then let it sit. So I'm at that point right now. I have gotten some lines of credit and now I'm in the gardening stage because you want to let those lines mature. So if you are above a 700 credit score, if you don't have any better credit cards, this might not be the best offer for you. But if you are a person who don't have cashback offers, credit cards with larger lines, this might be a really easy way to obtain credit. So keep that in mind, you guys. If you are under 700 credit score, and if you don't have, great cashback rewards, you're just building credit, this could be a great opportunity for you to know what you're aiming at. But somebody that have other larger lines of credit, better rewards, this might not be the best options because it doesn't have stellar cashback rewards. But if you're a person that do purchase a lot of Apple products, you might really, really, really want to obtain this. If you're looking to get another PC, iPhone and you really, really are into Apple products, it might be worth it for you. So hopefully this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, remember, contact me at my website if it's something personal in detail. I am not doing credit consultations, so I would not be charging you anything to do anything personally with you. If that's somebody that's telling you that, guarantee it is a scammer. Okay, so be careful, you guys, on all these YouTube channels. This is happening. If you see people talking about credit repair companies in the description, these are bots. Okay, so we try to remove it every day, but they come back. So these are bots. And trust me, if they are soliciting on somebody else's channel, they are not reputable. So keep that in mind. So I hope this is informational. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.